The monsoon arrives like poetry rain tapping on windows, the earthy aroma of wet soil, and sudden cravings for hot snacks and steamy cups. But hidden beneath the beauty of the season is a silent gut war. Humidity skyrockets, bacteria multiply, and your digestive system often ends up waving a white flag. If bloating, acidity, or sluggish digestion sounds familiar this time of year, you're not alone. But instead of reaching for over-the-counter remedies, try reaching for a glass, literally. Here are 5 monsoon-friendly drinks that actively support your gut, not just soothe it temporarily. These aren't your typical just drink warm water suggestions. These are carefully chosen blends that work with your gut microbes, not against them. Warm Ginger-Tulsi decoction. Let's talk real defense. Gut issues during monsoon often begin with microbial imbalances. Tulsi holy basil is nature's antibacterial warrior, and ginger adds a digestive kick. Combine a few Tulsi leaves with slices of ginger and simmer in water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm, not boiling. Why it works? This drink enhances digestion, reduces bloating, and neutralizes gut pathogens that thrive in humid weather. It also stimulates bile production, which is key for breaking down fats and absorbing nutrients. Fermented rice water Kanji. While fancy probiotic drinks flood the shelves, traditional Indian kitchens have held the secret all along. Fermented rice water, or Kanji, is rich in live cultures and easy on the stomach. How to make? Boil rice with extra water, drain it, and let the liquid sit at room temperature overnight. Add a pinch of salt or jeera the next morning and sip. Why it works? Loaded with good bacteria, Kanji helps restore the gut microbiome, especially after a round of fried monsoon snacks or a mild stomach bug. Plus, it's cost-effective and naturally cooling. Fennel mint cooler. Bloating and flatulence are frequent uninvited guests during the monsoon. Fennel seed sauce and mint come to the rescue with their carminative properties. How to brew? Boil crushed fennel seeds with fresh mint leaves. Cool the mixture and store it in the fridge. Drink 1 glass a day between meals. Why it works? This drink relieves gas, reduces acidity, and promotes smoother digestion. The menthol in mint has a calming effect on the stomach muscles. Buttermilk with roasted cumin. Don't underestimate this humble drink. Buttermilk chaz isn't just a cooling beverage, it's a post-meal gut healer, especially when spiced with roasted cumin jeera. Tip: avoid commercial yogurt during monsoons as it can sometimes ferment excessively. Homemade curd-based buttermilk is best. Why it works? It supplies your gut with healthy lactic acid bacteria, while cumin helps in reducing bloating and indigestion. It also prevents heaviness after meals, something common after oily monsoon snacks. Aloe vera cucumber shot. This one's not for the faint-hearted, but it's a game changer for inflamed guts and constipation. How to make? Blend 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with cucumber slices and a dash of lemon juice. Strain and drink a small shot every morning on an empty stomach. Why it works? Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties, while cucumber hydrates and cools the GI tract. Together, they help in flushing out toxins and easing bowel movements. During the monsoon, your gut doesn't need harsh fixes, it needs mindful nourishment. These drinks don't just target symptoms. They promote long-term balance, hydration, and microbial harmony. So the next time it pours outside and your stomach feels like a storm's brewing inside, skip the carbonated soda and go for one of these gut-friendly blends instead. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical, science-backed health tips that don't sound like a broken health textbook. Let's heal smarter, not harder.